So I received this question. I looked, copied this from the image. You're given the normal curve. You're given your value is between 200 and 375. You want to find this area. You're given the mean and the standard deviation. Well, we have the formula for z-scores, just your individual score minus the mean over standard deviation. So I put the 200 and the 375 in the formula, and then the mean's 514, standard deviation's 108. And I punch that in the calculator, I get minus 2.91. I put that in the calculator, I get minus 1.29. And so we're standardizing this. So now we want to find the area between minus 2.91 and negative 1.29. And so you could, the previous problem I showed you how to find area using table 4 in the back of the book. So now the rest of this problem, I haven't finished it, but just watch the previous video I sent you about finding area under normal curve given 2 z-scores. You look up the area for each of these, and then you subtract, like the previous problem. Hope this helps.